Snapchat support code SS06. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can fix Snapchat support code SS06, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Snapchat support code SS06 is an error that usually happens during the login process, and this usually happens when you try to enter and log into the same account simultaneously by entering incorrect password or incorrect credentials. You've been trying to log into the same account, and that's why Snapchat usually gives you that error. Now the best way to fix this is to simply make sure that your credentials are correct. So you can try opening the Snapchat application, make sure that your login details are correct, and see if that helps you solve your problem. If you don't remember your password, you can also reset it. Other thing you can do is you can actually simply wait a couple of hours, because Snapchat has limited you for a couple of hours, so in that case you might want to wait. But if you're in a rush, then what you can do is long press the Snapchat app icon, tap the I button that you can find here, and then just go to storage, and then after that make sure to clear the cache, go to manage storage, and make sure to delete the data. After you've done that, if you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data, and if you're using cellular data, try to switch to Wi-Fi. This will change the IP address, or you can also use a VPN, and when you change the IP address, it's going to let Snapchat think that it is a new person logging into the account and not the same old person. So this way you can fix Snapchat support code SS06. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.